Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to take a screenshot on iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. If you are using iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max and now you want to take a screenshot, so let's see how can you do it. You just have to follow a simple method to take a screenshot of your iPhone. For this, you just have to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So just do it, volume up and the power button, and here you can see I have taken a screenshot. Now try it again, press volume up and power button at the same time, and that's how you can easily take the screenshot on your iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.